Hello, we will be teaching you how to upload your very first PC only avatar, because opening the quest is hard, which I will be doing in another video. So you'll need VRChat Creator Companion, which, once I get my screen up, you can go to VRChat and hit download and click setting up SDK, which will bring you right here. And you can download it through here, which I don't need, because I already have it. This is going to be scuffed, by the way. I don't have an editing software, so bear with me here. So once you have that all set up, you need to name it, obviously. And then you're going to click Unity 2022 Unity Project, or Avatar Project. You need a 2022 version of Unity. Don't ask why, I really don't know. But you're just going to click that and create project. This is going to take a while to load. So just kind of gotta kind of wait. Alright, once you're here, you are obviously, if you have updates, just update them real quick. You just gotta click that. Gotta update those. And if you want toggles on your avatar, I would recommend having VRC Fury on you. So you would go to vrcfury.com and then you would download VRC Fury and then you just set that up. So what you would need is Gesture Manager, Avatars 3.0. If you want to upload a quest, you can, but you don't need this if you're uploading to this PC. And you need VRC Fury. So once you have all of those clicked, you can click Open Project. So let me do that for you real quick. Perfect. Looks like we're all done. Alright. Don't worry about all of the stuff I have. This is all for my other avatars. So we're going to click Open Project. And opening Unity takes up a lot of time on your PC, especially when you have an older PC. It will eat up your GPU or your CPU, depends on what you have, but it will eat it up. It will take up so much of your GPU or CPU. It may lag your PC, just because Unity is such a big program to run. So I'm going to stop this video recording for now, and I will just bring in the next recording. So this will only take, what, like a second for you guys? Meanwhile, this will probably take about 10 minutes for me to load. And I will be back. Perfect. Now this is all open. So what model I'm going to be using will be the Mayu. You can buy it in this gumroad right here. It's about 50 bucks, so I would recommend saving. But it's a great model. I recommend it. So what we're going to do here is you're going to go up to the corner, the top corner, and click Assets. You're going to import package. You're going to hit Custom Package right here. Let me move this over here real quick. Let me find the Mayu. So once you have the Mayu, you're going to click Open right here. You're going to see the little Unity package right here. That's what your main starter is going to be, is a Unity package. You're going to click that, you're going to open it. And this is also going to take a long time to upload to Unity, as Unity is a massive program. Alright, once this pops up right here, you're going to hit all, just in case. Because every single one of these needs to be clicked. And I doubt you want to go through every single one. So I would just hit all, and then hit import. And this is going to be the longest. So just gotta wait for that. I will skip again to where it imports. I'll be right back. Alright, now our Mayu's uploaded, but we need a shader. So what I recommend is Poyomi. You can just download right here, scroll down, and then do download install. Alright, So since it's really hard to read right here, you can't find the model in your ear, I would do Control and then your scroll wheel. That way you know what you're clicking. So here's the avatar. I like to zoom back in so I know where the package is. See, if you want the clothing, you're gonna drag it in. This is a PC avatar prefab with the clothing on it, right here. But if you want the quest one, it does not have clothes, which is over here. And also, if you're gonna pick the quest upload, you need to change the position. See how the other one, if I put it right here, is in a different position. You need the position right here zeroed out. You need to make sure this is all zeros on every single one minus a scale. A scale can be whatever you want, to be honest, but I like to keep it that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to package again, and once you have Poyomi downloaded, you are going to download Poyomi and put it in your Unity. So the one I like to use right here is this one. You can look at that real quick. That's the one I use, but mine's probably outdated for you guys because I've been uploading with Poyomi for a long time and I just didn't want to update it. But yep, you're gonna open it and it should pop up with the same little screen in just a second, and you're gonna click all. Because you don't want anything missing, don't you? All. Then import. And once it's imported, I'll be right back. Now that Poyomi is imported, we need to upload it. Or you can do this. Since it's already hidden and locked, it's already Poyomi shaders. But if you really want, you can change it. It just takes extra time, really, because it's already technically Poyomi shaders. So I really wouldn't waste your time unless you're changing standard to Poyomi or VRChat to Poyomi. The exact same. See? So this is how you upload your avatar now. Go to VRChat SDK, show control panel, and you need to log in. Once you're logged in, which I gotta, pull my screen over here because you don't want anything like that to happen. Gotta log in. Bro. Okay. Ignore that. I suck at typing, so we have to ignore that. Okay. Once you have the numeric code, you need to bring in your code. So you just go to your email and, do the basic stuff. After that, you will see a panel, just like this, that gives you all your settings. So let me import that code. There you go. There's your little panel. And then you can name it whatever you want. And do whatever. And you can change your visibility to private or public. That way, people can steal your avatar, clone it, or they physically cannot clone it. So, they recently added content warnings and tags and styles. I don't normally use that, I sometimes use it. But you need an image. So I would grab a random image that I normally would have, like this one, and then upload it. Make sure your platform is Windows, and everything in your alerts is fine. Audio sources, that's okay. Triangles, that's okay. But the only thing I wouldn't click is autofix on this one. At the very bottom, they have the box bitmap filtering. Do not click autofix because this breaks your avatar. If you have any red, click autofix. That will help you, and it fixes everything for you already. So once you are done, click publish. And it'll do the copyright ownership agreement, just click OK. And then you need to save it to your file. So let's just say Mayu test. And save it. Oh, looks like I have an encounter. So let's see what happened. My build failed. What happened here? It looks like my animations and the face tracking are bugged. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna remove the face tracking, delete that. You're gonna remove the go-go and the heartbeat. And that is how you fix that. And then build and publish. Try it again. And if that doesn't work, then try to contact your avatar maker. See if something happened and something broke. If the avatar creator doesn't know, then try Googling your error. I've seen to do that a lot, just Googling my error, because I feel like it's just a waste of time for me to contact the owner of the model. So I just like to Google it, and that normally helps me. But if you want to go out of your way and contact the model owner, that's perfectly fine. And now, look at it. Now it uploads. Now you got yourself a tutorial on how to upload to PC. I'll do a quest upload pretty soon, but it's going to be very lengthy, so prepare for that. Quest uploading takes a long time, and a lot of different variations of shaders, and just more complicated. So I will do that soon. Thank you so much. And then when you go into your avatars, let's see, let me open VRChat again because I closed it. Okay. When you go into your avatars, right? Right here. Click avatars. And then you can see everything you've uploaded. Perfect. That's all you need. And that is how you make an avatar. Well, upload, at least. Thank you guys. Bye.